Hi doctor, my name is Dashani Shanmugam and my matric number is 269819. So today I want to share my understanding about chapter 11, which is construction machineries. The introduction. Proper use of the appropriate equipment contributes to economy, quality, safety, speed and timely completion of a project. Equipments are used for highway projects, irrigation, buildings, power projects and etc. Classification of construction equipment. So the first one is earth moving equipment, hauling equipment, hoisting equipment, conveying equipment, aggregate and concrete production equipment, pile driving equipment, tunneling and rock drilling equipment, and the last one is pumping and dewatering equipment. Operations involved in construction of any project, which is excavation, digging of large quantities of earth, moving them to distance which are sometimes fairly long, placement, compacting, leveling, dredging, grading, hauling. Excavating and earth moving equipment. So the first one is power shovel. Power shovel is suitable for close range of work and capable of digging very hard materials and also can remove big sized boulders. Backhoe. It is the most suitable machine for digging below the machine level, such as trenches, footings, basements, etc. Dragline. It is the most suitable machine for dragging softer material and below its track level. Clamshell, used for handling loose materials such as crushed stone, sand, gravel, coal, etc. Scraper, unique machine for digging and long distance hauling of plowable materials. Bulldozer. Bulldozers are mainly used for the following operations: for spreading the earth field, for opening up pilot roads through mountainous and rocky terrains. Tractors, multi-purpose machines used mainly for pulling and pushing the other equipments. Smooth wheel rollers, used for ordinary rolling work where deep compaction is not required. Sheep foot rollers, for compacting earthwork in embankments and canals where compaction deep into the layer of the earth is required. Pneumatic tire rollers, most suitable for compacting fine-grained soil and well-graded sands. Side and rear dump trucks. These trucks are suitable for use in hauling wet clay, sand, gravel, quarry rocks, etc. Bottom dump trucks. These trucks are suitable for use in hauling free-flowing materials such as sand, gravel, dry earth, hard clay, etc. Dumpers, suitable for short hauls and rough roads. Mobile cranes. These cranes are mounted on mobile units, which is either crawler type or wheel type. Overhead cranes. This type of cranes consists of two main parts, which is the bridge and the crab. Tower cranes. Tower cranes are usually used for industrial and residential high-rise buildings. Belt conveyor, used when large quantities of materials have to be conveyed over long distance and at fast speed. Screw conveyor, widely used for handling granular material. Bucket conveyor. This type of conveyor is mainly used in coal handling where bucket elevators carry the material vertically. Aerial transport, often used with advantage of transportation of materials in hilly regions. Jaw crushers. It operates by allowing stone to flow into the space between two jaws, one of which is stationary and other is movable, which together constitute the crushing surface. Gyratory crushers. This is another type of primary crushers. Cone crusher. Cone crusher are used as a secondary or tertiary crusher. Roll crusher are also one of the secondary and tertiary crushers. Hammer mill is one of the impact crushers mostly used as primary or secondary crushers. Rod mill and ball mill, these are the tertiary crushers. Concrete production plants for mixing different ingredients in requiring proportion. And the last one is pile driving equipment. The process of pile driving involves lifting the piles into position, holding it to refusal or to a specific dip. So that's all. Thank you.